Adho Mukha Svanasana. Here are some benefits of Adho Mukha Svanasana. For Adho Mukha Svanasana, come onto your fours. Form a table such that your back forms the tabletop and your hands and feet form the legs of the table. As you breathe out, lift the hips up, straightening the knees and elbows. Form an inverted V shape with the body. Press your hands into the ground, widen through the shoulder blades. Keep the neck lengthened by touching the ears to the inner arms. Hold this pose 5 to 10 breaths and take long deep breaths. Look towards the navel. Now exhale, bend the knees, return to the table pose and relax.